I have an Earthwise electric lawn mower. The battery does not last very long. I would like to replace the battery.
Have you replaced parts of your Earthwise lawn mower before?
Thank you. I have only replaced the blade 2 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your Earthwise lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
Left it on the charger overnight. Lasted about 30 minutes. Went from a green light to red.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
If using the lawn mower after the red light comes on, could this damage the battery to the point that it will not longer hold a full charge? Can I order a new battery, number 8005172202 EU for my model 60120 Earthwise Lawnmower SN y'all ###.
Hi, I will be glad to try to help you. First, to answer your question about using the mower after the red light comes on. No, you will not damage the battery doing this. In fact, running the battery all the way down is the way to get the battery to work longer. Meaning, that you should run the battery all the way down and then charge it up fully. But keep in mind that you cannot get the battery fully charged by only charging it overnight. You must charge the battery at least 48 hours to make sure that it is fully charged. Next. These batteries are available at a lot of places, including Amazon.com and many other online stores. But you must know what voltage your battery is. Here is a very good place to get the new battery. https://www.batteries.com/battery/cordless tool/earthwise/6012024 20 inches lawnmower. The part number of your battery says it is a 12-volt battery. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer.
With my lawnmower being a 24V model, would a 12-volt battery be correct? The numbers both came off of the lawnmower. I cannot find my owner's manual.
Your mower actually uses 2 batteries. They are 12 volts each, adding up to 24 volts. Make sure that you take several pictures of how the batteries are hooked up so you will know how to reinstall them. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer.
Actually, my mower has just one battery. Weights 31 pounds. Fits into the top of my Earthwise lawnmower. Went online, saw only one battery that looked close to mine, but it was taller.
You should make sure that you get the correct batteries. The 2 batteries are usually located inside the plastic battery case that fits into the mower. These batteries are each 12 volts. Do not buy a 12-volt battery that is taller or you will damage the motor of the mower. You must have a battery pack that is 24 volts. If you have only one battery, then the models must be mixed up. I also found a 24-volt battery for lawnmowers on Amazon, but it was for a different model. Here is the link. Second row on the right. https://www.amazon.com/s K equals Earthwise plus 24 plus volt plus battery and GCLID equals EEACOB mixed 9ZX4 Givik CH0B3Ws EAAH0 underscore D underscore Bway and fitted equals 1769373208846 and Hative equals C and Vlokvi equals 9016103 and Fnet equals G and FOS equals 1T2 and HVQMT equals B and Fran equals 81 and Target equals KWD33540741936 and Hidagri equals 7142 underscore 9462855 and Tag equals Googider20 and Ref equals PD underscore SL underscore 54 TVJ4 OMW underscore B.
The battery on my lawn mower is in a sealed plastic case. A plug, female connection, attached to the motor of the lawnmower plugs into the battery that fits into the top of the mower.
Did you find one in my list that looks exactly like your?
Looking at it now.
Here is some information that I am sure will help you. This is the manufacturer of Earthwise Lawnmowers. American Lawn Mower Company. EST 1895-7444 Shadeland Station Way, Indianapolis, Indiana 46256 phone, #/PHTTPS:/AmericanLawnmower.com/collection/Earthwise.
Thank you. Tried calling. Too late in the day. We'll call tomorrow.
Okay, glad to help. You may also consider sending a bonus if I have been helpful. If you cannot give me one of the highest ratings, then please do not rate me at all until we discuss this answer further and you are happy with my answer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.